Hi, I'm Professor Wheeler at the University of South Florida School of Accountancy. In this lecture, we'll talk about eBiz, that is, how to do business over the internet. This is part one.
Electronic business systems, eBiz, basic concepts and technologies. In this session, we'll take a brief overview of eBusiness. We'll start by a general definition of eBiz and look at a conceptual model. And then we'll also look at the kinds of technologies needed to implement that model into a real business system. So what is eBiz? Companies' computer systems link together using communication networks to conduct business transactions between individuals and/or organizations. Now first note that by linking computers together to communicate, we're introducing a whole new function into information systems. A standalone computer has two basic functions. It can store data and process data. However, when we connect the computers to communicate, we need new software, we need new hardware, it raises new internal control problems, and many issues in auditing and accounting. I'm going to talk about two types of eBiz. First, intra-organizational, inside the organization. Commonly we see LANs and WANs, local area networks, wide area networks, often using private communication networks to conduct business within the corporation, internally. More commonly, when we talk about eBiz, we usually mean inter-organizational, that is between organizations, between individuals, and commonly using the public internet. There's three types of these we'll mention: B2C, B2B, P2P. B2C, business to customer. Example here is Amazon, where you as a customer order a book or some item from Amazon. And this is only a small part of the e-business traffic. It's about 7%. Most e-business, around 93%, is B2B, business to business. An example here is Walmart, where Walmart is directly connected through the internet to its suppliers. Another example is Covacent. Here Covacent acts as a third party, an intermediary between various industries, especially health and car manufacturing, and their suppliers. P2P, something rapidly growing, fairly new. Peer-to-peer is basically ordinary everyday people working with other ordinary everyday people to raise funding for new startups, new ventures, new projects. Kickstarter is an example of this, also Prosper.com.